A few years ago my mum had died. By way of therapy I started walking and I needed a place to walk to, and one day I was on the tube and I had a Time Out magazine and there was a freebie event at the Empathy Museum, a mile in my shoes. I had no idea what it was about and I went along and I was blown away by it. I thought it was a fantastic event and really, really innovative.
So the main point of the project is that two cohorts of learners recorded digital stories about themselves, some aspects of themselves, and when they worked with a storyteller, Ariane, a professional storyteller, and Louisa, so they developed how to tell stories, and then Empathy Museum kind of took over. They were integrated all the way through, but then they kind of took over the recording. And the idea is that then the students donate their shoes into a installation, that's the shoe shop, and then members of the public come, choose size 39, and whatever's in size 39 is a story. So they put the learners' shoes on and listen to the stories. And we finished it with an exhibition or installation at the South Bank as part of the London Literature Festival on Friendship. First of all, everyone who was involved in it just did an amazing job, and it was an amazing collaborative experience. One of the things that really stood out for me was the simplicity of the idea has such rich effects. And as Louisa said, it was a very transformational, therapeutic experience for a lot of the learners.